Chanel from the RealReal. Time for another dose of unboxings. A quick one. Sustainable secondhand savings steal deals from the RealReals. A quick secondhand haul. This, I believe, is the channel. It's time for some channel on this channel. Let's unbox some channel. So, real quick unboxing. We'll talk about it. It's a Chanel jacket, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing a channel unboxing from the RealReal. This is something I got, I saw, I wanted, I got, I talked to you guys about it. So it's super quick. We're gonna unbox it and talk about it, okay? If that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? So something I saw from Chanel, Karl Lagerfeld. It was way under retail. Chanel jackets usually go for like $2+ on the resale market, and they go for like $5, $6 starting above. This one was $400 something, so I thought, why not? It did say robe and it did say sleepwear, so it might be a robe. It might not actually be a jacket, but if it didn't look like it was cloth, towel material, so as long as it's not that, I'm just gonna use it. You know what I mean? What I'm saying? Repurpose, sustainable. Okay, so let's unbox. This is part of my segment of shopping secondhand, saving steal videos, buying things from the secondhand market, under retail, way under retail, comparing them to the actual listing, and then comparing them to the price of the actual new product in the store for you guys. I mostly focus on clothes and shoes, very rarely and occasionally bags. Okay, so before I unbox, a robe, pre-fall 2015 Chanel Karl Lagerfeld black interlocking CC logo, sash tie closure that's got the crisscrosses, it's black, minor pulling throughout, very good condition, minor fading throughout, alternate front closures, and size small. It started at $1,445, and it was 70% off, so I got it for $433 in a size small, polyester and cotton. I'm hoping it's not a robe, but like a jacket robe. I think it might be a robe. But if it's a robe, if I can wear it as a jacket robe, then I'll do it. If not, I'm gonna have to try to return it, even though it's already final sale. So let's see. You guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Time for the reveal. Okay, it looks like a towel robe. That's okay. Whoa. Okay, so it's definitely like a towel-y material on the inside, but it's got this crisscrossy, it's got this cool detail here, fringy detail, a little CC right there, and it's black. I don't know, and then it's got a sash tie closure. It's got these oversized arms. Let's try it on. I don't know that this could actually be a non-robe, but maybe, you know what? Okay, what do we think? Let's see. I feel like it feels like a towel. But, you know what I'm gonna do? I have an event to go to tonight. So maybe I'll just wear it and see how people react. And that can be my judge on whether I can keep it or not. Of course, though, then I have to take the tags off. It does look very towel-y, right? But it also looks kind of cool. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I gotta decide. I think I'm already overdue anyway. But maybe I'll try to wear it tonight and see. Is that how it closes? No, that is how it closes. It's got pockets. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it could be just a robe. If I don't tie it, should I not tie it? I think I tie it makes it more roby. Take the robe strap out. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we love it? Do we hate it? Do we want it? Do we need it? Do we know it? Okay. BRB. I feel like tying it definitely makes it look like a robe. So we could try it like this, or we could try it just completely open. I'm gonna give it a shot and we'll see what happens. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you like it, do you love it, do you hate it, do you want it, do you need it? I mean, it's black, it's Chanel, it's under $500, it's nice, but I'm gonna feel weird wearing a towel all the time. Maybe it'll keep me warm. It's fashion. Is it fashion? Or am I trying to make a square fit into a circle and just want to like it because of what it is? Because it's Chanel and the price. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, let me know what you think in your comments below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, and all right, that's all I got. Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye. Love you.